हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक। सो अभी हम ऊपर कैट की लैब में बैठे हुए थे रूम 503। सुबह से हम यहीं बैठे हैं। सुबह से हम यहीं बैठे हैं। ये हमारे राहुल भाई हैं। कुछ कहना चाहेंगे राहुल भाई?
कुछ क्या बोले
क्या बोले भाई, मस्त बोला इंसान है भाई, कुछ भी बोलो, मस्त बोला इंसान है।
एंजॉय करो बस।
हंसमुख है, मस्त
हंसते
बोला,
रहो।
खाते पीते घर का मस्त। और शीश उसका उसका से समथिंग
Hi, look at my.
look at her hand, and beyond after that person is
Sir,
where is sir Anil, where is say something bro, say something,
Say I'm fine.
say something.
I'm fine.
Huh?
I'm fine.
He's saying
बोला.
let's say something. I'm fine.
He is fine, so these are guys fine, and that guy is Devik and Mihir. Yo, and Mihir say something bro. Yeah, actually
Mihir
just
is
few days
popular.
back, we used to know that this guy Mihir is a dancer. Yeah, really, he danced best. Like he just gave a performance in front of us, and we was like stunted. That this guy literally, this guy literally dance. This guy literally dance. If
It's all about lying, whatever he
no
says.
no no,
Don't
I
believe
swear,
on
I swear, I swear, this guy literally dance. This guy literally dance the best. He was like he was doing some slow moves, and he was like mind blowing
him.
moves.
He just tried to craving on myself. That's it.
Now, yeah, he was like enjoying. He was enjoying and he was
But
having
he is a
fun.
very good dancer. You can believe on him.
Nah, he is not a good dancer.
He-
He is not a good dancer, and I'm not a good dancer.
We are trying.
But this guy is a really good dancer because he learned dancing in class 10th na, around.
No, I started from. Yeah, of course you can say I started. It's my hobby actually.
Yeah, you see, it's a hobby of this guy. So he is literally a good dancer, and here comes the sign. Sign.
Come inside in the camera.
Ah,
Here I am, Mr. Pradeep Gaur,
This is Pradeep.
and I am from West Bengal.
He's from West Bengal, and this guy is Nilesh.
I'm from Maharashtra.
He is from Maharashtra. Say something to your audience.
Here is my chela Rahul Kumar.
He's standing
He
there.
is from Bihar.
Right? And this guy is also from Bihar, MP. Sorry.
Not Maharashtra. What was it?
No, he's from by birth he's from Maharashtra, but he's my bro. So he's from MP also.
MP also.
And I'm by birth from MP, but I'm their bro, so I'm from Maharashtra also. Jai Maharashtra. Jai MP. Because I used to share border. I'm Indian bro, and I don't believe in border. Whatever comes inside the India is mine, and whatever I come inside the India, so I
Give me
belongs to
one
all India.
All Indian are my brother and sister.
I used to pledge that all Indian brothers are my sister, and, are my brother and sister except one. You know why I said except one? Except one, and he's one of the chillest person of our class. Like he is a cookie.
And there is a calm chaos inside me.
You
Keep it
cannot-
contained.
You cannot judge this guy from outside. Like he's like calm and soft from outside, but he's like bold and very angry, very anger from inside.
That's what she says.
This guy. That's what she says.
Yeah, I say that a lot.
And
They say double meaning things, so I have to shoot it with these lines.
and you saw him. He's Mr. Sudhakar Kumar. He's Mr. Sudhakar Kumar. Say something, bro.
For what?
Say something.
I am doing an experiment called virtual screening with the masters guy known as Pradeep Gaur. He is masters in everything regarding computational science, and he did a great job. You can see it. There is a virtual screening going on for job, and he is going to always say that whatever she said, like that. Na? Thank you for the video, and just I was enjoying my phone with some photographs. Thank you everyone.
So this is These are some.
This is whatever this is.
This is what you see. This is, that's it. There are some people who are absent here, like
ये कहीं ये यहाँ पे blur आ रहा है.
like there are two people. There are three people actually who are missing inside our class, and first one is Rohit Kumar, and he just left the lab just few minutes back because he was busy with the tournament, volleyball tournament. Second one is Vijay Thalapathy, not Vijay Thalapathy, Vijay is our classmate. He has gone to the home because of the condition of her mother. She is not feeling well and his brother is busy, so he has to take care of her mother, of his mother. So that's why he just gone. And the third one is Mr. Vikram Singh, and he just got selected into the AIMS pharmacist in UP, and so he just left the batch. But still we count that guy as a member of our class. So this is just the basic introduction, and we are in the lab. So you can see that there are certain setups, there are certain systems. So we just used to do here. So we just this is generally the CAD lab, and behind this CAD lab, behind this system, there are some other system, analytical system, which we use for our. You know this guy and this guy. He is Spooky guy. So this is all about our classmate. Okay. So see you in next video. Till that, stay safe, stay happy. Bye bye guys. Have a good day.